According to Freud, the structure of psyche are id, ego, and superego. NCF 2005 proposed the evaluation system should be based on grades. The theorist associated with concept attainment model is Jerome S. Bruner. Select the personality traits put forward by Alport. Cardinal, central, secondary. When was KCF formed? 2007. Expand IEDC. Integrated Education for Disabled Children. Teacher uses projective test for revealing the unconscious. When we make use of many experiences and examples for arriving at a generalized principle or conclusion, it is known as inductive reasoning. Leela is friendly, always willing to help others, and compassionate. According to Gardner's theory, Leela has interpersonal intelligence. Before the athletic race, John says to his coach, I know I can do well in this race. This is the example for John's self-efficacy. In Erickson's model, key challenge of young adulthood is intimacy versus isolation. The MMPI is used to assess personality. Triple track plan is program designed for intellectually gifted person. Kohlberg proposed a stage theory of moral development. Piaget used the term schemata to refer to the cognitive structures underlying organized pattern of concept. The name William Stern is closely associated with intelligence quotient. According to Thurston, how many primary mental abilities are there? 7. Expand ECCE. Early childhood care and education. The third stage of creative thinking is illumination. Expand NCSE, National Council for Special Education. The term used by Albert Bandura to refer to the overall process of social learning. Modeling, who is known as the father of inclusive education. Howard de Crowley. What is the fourth stage of Gagner's hierarchy of learning? Verbal association. Synetics is a technique designed for promoting creative students. The overall changes in all aspects of humans throughout their lifespan is referred as development. Who stated adolescence is a period of stress and strain, storm and strife? Stanley Hall. PWD Act established in the year 1995. Who put forward the concept advance organizer? Roosevelt. The ability to think about thinking is known as metacognitive thinking. One should have constant practice in what has once been learnt. This indicates law of use. Association is made between a behavior and a consequence for that behavior is closely related to operant conditioning. The term need for achievement is coined by McClelland. Intellectual activity can be viewed in a three-dimensional pattern. Who suggested this viewpoint? Guilford. The first stage of creative thinking is preparation. Mainstreaming in inclusive education means progressively including and maintaining exceptional students. Counselor plays an active role in a client's decision making by offering advice, guidance, and recommendations. This counseling is known as prescriptive counseling. Who proposed the concept of full functioning personality? Carl Rogers. Name the animal side of man's nature according to Jung's theory. Shadow. Who is the author of the book Conditioned Reflexes? Ivan Pavlov. Who proposed the psychosocial theory? Erik Erikson. Who wrote the book The Language and Thought of the Child? Jean Piaget. The Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act is an act to provide such education to which age group of children? To all children of the age group 6 to 14 years. Learning in one situation influencing learning in another situation is called transfer of learning. As per the NCF recommendation, the total time for homework is 2 hours. The term emotional intelligence was coined by Daniel Goleman. The individual has both positive valence of approximate equal intensity that may cause conflict is known as approach conflict. Peter is a 10th standard student, and according to Piaget, Peter is in a stage of thinking which is called formal operations. NCERT established in the year 1961. Running of words together is a speech defect known as lisping. A student is scolded by the headmaster may hit his peers in the school. This is an example of displacement.